Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to suggest word or phrases Microsoft Outlook in computer. So how to suggest word or phrases Microsoft Outlook in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. For suggest word or phrase, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the Mail menu. Now in the Mail menu there are many menus. Tap the Smart Suggestions menu. Now here it is in the Smart Suggestions menu. In the Smart Predictions menu section. To activate, tap Suggest Word or Phrases. The function of the Suggest Word or Phrases function in Outlook is to provide suggestions for words or phrases when typing an email. This feature helps speed up writing and reduces typos. So that's it, the tutorial how to suggest word or phrases Microsoft Outlook in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.